Welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll learn how to make a rose Earcuff. We'll use 20 gauge wire, smooth it with a silicone plier and measure 15 centimeters. Cut it, measure 7.5 centimeters, then 1.5 centimeters and make a fold using flat pliers. Next, measure 3 centimeters from that fold and bend the other side in the opposite direction. Emphasize bends gently with silicone pliers. Measure 1.5 centimeters at the Earcuff base and bend excess wire. After this fold, build the rose by weaving wires over and under until complete. We make this movement to simulate petals. Watch. I pass it under, then take the other wire and repeat. This creates a petal effect. We continue this process until our rose is complete. Once done, we'll secure the wire using our silicone pliers on one side. First, we fold and cut excess with cutting pliers. Repeat on the other side, make a turn, use flat pliers if needed, and trim excess. We tuck in the ends neatly, then use our size 6 loop pliers to shape the Earcuff. And there we have our adjustable rose Earcuff. If you want to see more rose designs, check out the playlist.